Hey everybody, today we're going to be installing the Rego shock skids. We chose Rego because they're big and they provide some of the most protection on the market. Alright, let's get these things installed. Here are the Oem Shock Guards. They're plastic. Some people call them dust covers, but they don't protect against dust. They just protect against small sticks or rocks that might fling up. They do actually protect against small debris, but nothing like hitting a rock when you're off-roading. You will have to remove that e-brake bracket as well. The lower shock bolt and nut are both 21 millimeter. You'll have to remove these little hex bolts to get the old shock guard off. Now right here I'm compressing the shock with the new shock skid. This is not what you want to do. What happens is the shock skid actually compresses the shock mount and doesn't allow you to push the shock up any higher to line the bolt up. Here I am giving it another go, hoping it works this time. This is what I was talking about when it squeezes the shock and doesn't let you push it up. This is what you should actually do. You should compress the shock, hold it into place with one hand, then place the shock skid with the other hand. Now you grab an extension to guide it into the bolt hole as you slowly release the shock down to line it up. Then you just grab the bolt and feed it through as you remove the extension. Next, you'll be installing the secondary bolt that holds and stabilizes the shock skid. You all right?
Yeah.
This side's slightly different because you have to deal with the e-brake bracket, but it's still pretty straightforward. Again, remove the stock shock cover. You won't be reinstalling these because the new shock skid actually replaces it.
Socket.
Temporarily just move the bracket out of the way. Just cut the little tab right off this bracket. Now we actually purchased these Rego shock skids from Peak Suspension. They're about 150 bucks and they shipped real quick. They fit both 2015 and up GMC Canyon and Chevy Colorado. This includes the ZR2 model. We got these for peace of mind when we're sliding over some rocks. Now we went with Rego because they're larger and they seem to provide a lot more protection for the shock than other brands do. I really like the way these things look. The design is really nice and they come with a good powder coated finish. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.